Good morning, class 12, 11th business study period. We are dealing in the chapter internal trade, and in my previous video I told itinerants and different kinds of itinerants. Today we are doing fixed shop retailer. Yesterday we did the retailers who don't have fixed place. So in fixed shop retailers, these are the retailers which have their specific and fixed shop in a particular market, in a particular locality, in a particular residential colony. These shops may be in main market, maybe as I told you in residential areas. So these shops are known as fixed shop retailers, and normally you will find these retailers everywhere in every city, in every town. These fixed shop retailers can be of two types. Number one, small scale fixed shop retailer. Number two, large scale fixed shop retailer. So first we are doing small scale fixed retailer shop. As I told, these are of small kind of businessmen who are dealing in day-to-day items, maybe established anywhere in the city and town, maybe in main heart of the city, main markets, maybe in residential areas, wherever they can be. These small scale fixed retailer, there are various types. Number one, general store. Everywhere you will find these general stores. In these general store you will find a different variety of products. Even you can see in Dungargarh we have many general stores. Their main features are like they are dealing in products like grocery, confectionery, stationery, soft drink, etc. These retailers have very large variety in each line of product. They provide free home delivery. If you ask them, there are many these general stores who make the goods available at home. They sell goods on credit, and many times they give other services also. They create personal relationship with their customer. Normally permanent customers visit these shops, and these stores located in posh areas also keep popular brand by the products of the product, sorry. So this feature of last in posh area, in rich area, it may or may not be true in each and every case. These general store can be anywhere. In Dungargarh, if you see Mahabir Kirana store, Vijay store, Kalamatwala, these are some of the example of general store where you find many varieties in these shops. Number two, specialty stores. Specialty stores are the stores which are dealing in only one line products, only one line. Like if there is a garment shop, so you will find only garments item. Those garments may be of kids, ladies, gents, and all. So first of all, these stores deal with one line of product only. Examples I just discussed. Stationery, like stationery shop, you will find only books and stationery only. In medicine shop, you will find only medicine. In shoes, you will find only shoes, maybe gents, ladies, kids. But in one line shop, you will find variety. These stores deal in variety of goods in that line of product. For example, store dealing in garments have ladies garments, children garments, gents garment, garments of all size and brands. If you talk about medical shop, you will find only medicine over there. So these are one line products. These are generally situated in marketplaces. They provide customer services which vary from store to store. ये इस प्रकार के जितने भी स्पेसिफिक स्टोर होते हैं वो हर स्टोर अलग अलग प्रकार की सुविधाएं अपने कस्टमर को देते हैं. दिस फैसिलिटी चेंजेस फ्रॉम वन स्टोर टू अनदर. They generally cater to the requirement of a particular category of customer. Normally their specific customer goes and they fulfill their basic needs. Then street shops we are not doing. Now we will be doing second hand goods shop. Second hand goods shop are the shops where reused items are sold. The items which have already used and they are sold again, These shops are known as second-hand goods shop. The main feature of second-hand goods shops are, number one, these shops sell used goods. यूज किया हुआ माल ही ये लोग बेचते हैं. These goods are generally available at lower price because that good has already used. They buy goods from private and public auctions. बहुत सी बार सरकारी बोलियाँ या प्राइवेट बोलियाँ होती हैं, ये लोग गुड्स वहाँ से भी खरीदते हैं. These shops are mainly for their poor people who cannot afford branded item, and sometimes people from even higher income group also visit these shops to purchase the items. So these are known as second hand goods shops. In cities you will find बहुत सी किताबों की दुकानें होती हैं जहाँ पुरानी किताबें मिलती हैं, सब पुरानी मिलेंगी, सस्ते रेट पे मिलेंगी. तो ऐसी शॉप्स को हम क्या कहते हैं? सेकंड हैंड गुड शॉप कहते हैं. और ऐसा नहीं है, विदेशों से कई बार ऐसी बहुत सी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक आइटम आती हैं जिनका वहाँ ऑलरेडी यूज हो चुका है, वो इंडिया में आकर काफ़ी समय बिकती हैं. दैट इज नोन एज सेकंड हैंड गुड शॉप. अनदर इज सेकंड शॉप. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ सेकंड शॉप? इट इज़ टोटली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द सेकंड हैंड गुड शॉप. Many times where the goods are manufactured, some goods are rejected by the machines or by the department, quality department, which are not produced according to the required standard. Then those goods are separated out. कई बार मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के समय कुछ गुड्स में डिफेक्ट आ जाता है और वो डिफेक्ट बहुत माइनर होते हैं, तो उन गुड्स को वहाँ से क्वालिटी स्टैंडर्ड लिस्ट में से बाहर निकाल दिया जाता है. उन गुड्स को सेकंड गुड्स कहा जाता है और उनकी एक स्पेशल दुकानें होती हैं जो सेकंड शॉप के नाम से जानी जाती हैं. दीज गुड्स आर नॉट ऑलरेडी यूज, दीज आर फ्रेश गुड्स, बट ड्यू टू माइनर डिफेक्ट्स देयर शॉप्स आर सेपरेट. व्हाट आर द मेन फीचर्स? दीज शॉप्स डील इन द प्रोडक्ट विच हैव सम मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डिफेक्ट. नंबर टू, गुड्स सोल्ड इन दीज शॉप्स आर नॉट यूज्ड ऑलरेडी. ये गुड्स को पहले यूज नहीं किया गया है. दे आर न्यू डिफेक्टिव, वे नए गुड्स है विद स्मॉलर और माइनर डिफेक्ट. गुड्स आर सोल्ड एट ए हैवीली डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस. काफ़ी डिस्काउंट दिया जाता है ऐसे गुड्स के ऊपर. द प्राइस ऑफ गुड्स डिपेंड्स अपॉन देयर डिफेक्ट. If defect is large, discount will be more. If defect is small, discount will be less. Many manufacturing company have their own defective shops in the market, and sometimes these shops are set up temporarily by taking premises or halls or banquets. These are known as second shops. आप बड़े शहरों में लिबर्टी की, रेमंड्स की, ऐसी बहुत सी आपको दुकानें मिलेंगी जहाँ सेकंड डिफेक्टेड गुड्स बेचा जाता है. तो these were small fixed retailer shop. The next one we are going to do is large scale fixed retailer shop. Large scale, these are of large size where huge amount of investment is required. Large scale retailer deal in large stock of goods and purchase goods in bulk. Features of these are, number one, they required a huge investment because normally large scale fixed retailer shop, they work throughout the country. They have large size showroom to sell goods like Big Bazaar. This is an example of large scale fixed retail shop. In India, in every big city you will find Big Bazaar. They are generally located at central place or in shopping centers. ज़्यादातर आपको ये जो लार्ज स्केल फिक्स्ड शॉप मिलेंगी ये किसी मेन मार्केट में या किसी मेन मॉल के अंदर होती हैं. ए लार्ज नंबर ऑफ कस्टमर विजिट दीज शोरूम्स. बहुत कस्टमर्स विजिट करते हैं इनको. There are three types of mainly these large scale shop. Number one, departmental store. Number two, multi shops or chain store. And number three, mail order retailing. Departmental store we are not doing normally in practical. Nowadays you will not find departmental stores. I am doing directly multiple shops or chain stores. These multiple shop or chain stores is a kind of retail business you will find in different parts of the country. You will find that these chain stores are of same size, same like their brand will be this, their logo will be the same. From front they will be having the same color of their shop. Such shop are known as chain store or multiple shops. Bata is having in India such shop. You can say like Bata showroom, then DCM stores like this McD, McDonald. All these are known as multiple shops or chain store. Multiple shops refers to a number of identical retail shop located in different parts of the city. These shops are owned and controlled by single organization. अभी जैसे मैं आपको मैगडी की बात कर रहा था या मैं बाटा की बात कर रहा था, तो इनको केवल उसी की कंपनी, वही कंपनी चलाती है. These chain stores may be established by manufacturer or by traders. ये मैन्युफैक्चर खुद भी इन स्टोर्स को खोल सकता है और उनके हम फ्रेंचाइजीज भी ले सकते हैं. इन यूएसए these shops are known as chain store, but there are popular as multiple shops in Europe. For example, Bata stores and DCM. What are the main features of these shops? Number one, large size. These multiple shops or chain store are in large size with a huge investment. In India, in almost all the city, you will find Bata showroom. These Bata showroom are directly run by the Bata company itself, manufacturer itself. Specialized in one line. Normally, these multiple store or chain shops, you will find they are dealing only in one line product. In Bata showroom, you will find only shoes, and that is of only Bata company. Shoes, slipper. Generally, chain stores specialize in one line of product, and variety of that item only available in at all the shops located in different areas. लगभग आपको सब बाटा शोरूम में एक ही प्रकार की वैरायटी मिलेगी. Centralized purchasing. If suppose we have a Bata showroom in Bikaner, then whatever item this Bata showroom in Bikaner is needed, he will be giving his order to the main head office, and main head office purchase Bata goods and services from company and will supply overall in the country. That is centralized purchasing. Purchasing is done from a single place. Sale is decentralized. Main manufacturing office or head office, they distribute the goods in each store, and each store sell goods to the customer. Decentralized selling. Quality, normally these kind of stores dealing in the quality and standard items, and they always sell the goods on the uniform price, same price. Elimination of middlemen. Due to such kind of store, there is no distributor, there may not be wholesaler, there may not be retailer. Directly manufacturing company are opening their shops and they are selling goods directly to the customer. That's why middleman is not there, and due to this absence of middleman, normally goods is cheaper than if we have many retailers in between. Uniform prices, I told you, these stores sell goods at a same price, and normally in these stores only goods is sold only in cash. Credit facility is not available. Thank you.